In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use monday.com for inventory management so you can keep track of products, supplies, and assets in one organized system. First, sign in to your monday.com account and head to your main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click the plus button next to your workspace. Next, select Template Center to browse monday.com's ready-made templates. In the search bar, type Inventory Management and press Enter. You'll see several inventory-related templates appear. Choose the template that best fits your needs and click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Once the template loads, take a moment to review the board. You'll notice that it already includes sample items, stock quantities, locations, and tracking columns to help you get started quickly. Now, customize the board by replacing the sample data with your own inventory information. You can edit product names, update stock levels, add storage locations, and include notes for each item. If needed, add new columns for details such as asset tags, departments, suppliers, or reorder dates. Monday.com makes it easy to edit and organize everything directly within the board. After you've finished setting up your inventory, review the information to make sure everything is accurate. Your inventory management system is now ready to use. That's it. You've successfully set up and started using monday.com for inventory management. Thanks for watching.